The best way to have good friends is to be a good friend.
And to treat others the way you would want them to treat you.